Hello. First off, I just want to say please excuse my voice. I currently have a cold, so it's a little bit raspy. But, anyways, here's my software project. So, the first software program that I would like to have right now would be the Microsoft Office Standard 2013. This, for processor, it needs a computer or any other processor of 1 gigahertz or faster. It needs 32-bit or 1 gigabyte of RAM and 3 gigabytes of available hard disk space. The operating systems that it needs can be either Windows 7 or 8 or Windows Server 2008 R2 or Windows Server 2012. It runs on the Internet Explorer 8, 9, or 10, Firefox, Safari, or Google Chrome. The cushion recommended amount, just to be safe, is around 2 gigabytes of RAM. And the reason I would want this program is right now is because Microsoft Office has a lot of programs that I currently need for schooling, so it would be really helpful when trying to complete assignments. My next program would be Adobe Illustrator CC17. It requires 2 gigabytes of RAM and 2 gigabytes of available space on the hard disk. The operating system it runs on is Mac OS X version 10.7, version 10.8, or version 10.9. It needs a multi-core Intel processor with 64-bit support and PowerPC G5 of 1 gigahertz. An internet connection is needed to download it, and also the recommended cushion would be 4 gigabytes of RAM. And this program is really helpful when designing logos or other virtual graphics like that requires vectors. And one program that I would like in the future is Photoshop CC. This needs 1 gigabyte of RAM and 3.2 gigabytes of space on the hard disk. The download time for this ranges from 14 minutes if you have a corporate network to 96 minutes if you have a DSL. So the download time is just based on your internet speed. It needs multi-core Intel processor with the 64-bit support and runs on Mac OS X version 10.7 or 10.8. Also, it needs 1.6 gigahertz or faster processor. The cushion amount is 2 gigabytes of RAM. And this program would be really helpful for me in the future as I go to college and I might need to start editing pictures or photos for college. Thank you for listening.